Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best engine block heaters available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're dealing with sub-zero temperatures or just want to reduce engine wear during winter, these products are excellent solutions to keep your vehicle running smoothly. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the DXNQ silicone car heating pad. This is a unique option for those looking for a simple and portable block heater solution. Unlike other more mechanically complex products, this 4-inch by 5-inch self-adhesive silicone heating pad is designed to stick directly onto the metal surface of your engine, oil pan, or transmission. It operates at 120 volts and offers a modest 150 watts of heating power, ideal for light winter conditions. The built-in thermostat ensures it doesn't overheat, making it a safe and efficient option. The build quality is impressive, with high-grade silicone that's both wear-resistant and waterproof. It's also oil-resistant, meaning it can handle tough working environments and extreme weather. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included 3M adhesive backing. Just peel, stick, plug it in, and you're ready to go. However, the adhesive nature means it's not as versatile as some other options, and once applied, it may be difficult to reposition. While this heating pad is a great budget-friendly solution for smaller engines or milder climates, it's not as powerful or feature-rich as other products on the list. It's best suited for users who want a quick and easy way to warm up their engine or oil pan without the need for mechanical installation. The main drawback is its limited heating power, which might not be sufficient for extremely cold conditions. Overall, it's a convenient, low-maintenance product for light-duty use. Coming in at number 4 is the HOTSTART TPS151 GT10 coolant preheater. This is a high-performance option for those with larger engines or industrial applications. With a powerful 1,500-watt heating capacity, it's designed to preheat diesel and gas engines, making it ideal for trucks, construction equipment, and marine applications. It uses a thermosiphon principle to circulate the coolant without the need for a pump, which is both energy efficient and effective for larger engine displacements. The build quality is robust, with a durable metal housing that's designed to withstand the rigors of industrial use. It operates within a temperature range of 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent heating without overheating. However, installation requires moderate mechanical skills, as this isn't a plug-and-play solution. Once installed, though, it delivers reliable performance and significantly reduces engine wear during cold starts. While the HOTSTART TPS151 GT10 is an excellent choice for heavy-duty applications, its high power draw, 12.5 amps, and industrial orientation might be overkill for everyday passenger vehicles. It's a premium product that offers exceptional performance for users who need serious heating power, but it's not the most convenient option for casual users. If you have a large engine and need reliable performance in extreme conditions, this is a solid choice. At number 3, we have the Zerostart 3543 engine block heater. This product is a reliable and versatile solution for a wide range of vehicles, including Ford, Mercury, Lincoln, and even heavy-duty diesel engines like Caterpillar and Detroit Diesel. With a solid 1,000 W of heating power, this block heater ensures fast winter starts and reduces engine wear in extreme cold. It features a 3/4-inch NPT thread for compatibility with specific vehicles. So it's important to check the Zerostart catalog for fitment before purchasing. The design is compact and practical, with a 6-foot cord for convenient installation. It's CSA approved, so you can trust it to operate safely and efficiently. The machined exterior gives it a durable, high-quality finish, and at just 15.5 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to handle. However, this heater does require mechanical installation, which may be a drawback for users who want a simpler setup. This product's performance makes it a great mid-range option, offering a balance between power, versatility, and price. It's ideal for users who need a reliable solution for both personal and commercial vehicles. The only downside is that its installation may be a bit challenging for beginners. Still, If you're looking for a high-quality engine block heater with broad compatibility, the Zerostart 3543 is a worthy contender. Next up at number 2 is the CATS 1155X magnetic heater. If you're looking for a budget-friendly and versatile option, this heater is a fantastic choice. With 200 watts of power, it's not the most powerful on the list, but it's perfect for smaller engines and applications such as snowblowers, chainsaws, and even thawing frozen pipes or gutters. The magnetic base makes it incredibly easy to install. Just attach it to a metal surface, plug it in, and you're good to go. The design is compact, lightweight, and thermostatically controlled for energy efficiency. Its machined exterior ensures durability, and at just $58.99, it's the most affordable product in our roundup. While it's not suitable for larger engines or extremely cold conditions, it's a reliable and convenient option for light-duty use. Overall, the CATS 1155X is an excellent choice for those on a budget or needing a quick, no-fuss solution for smaller engines. Its ease of use and versatility make it a standout, but keep in mind that its lower wattage limits its effectiveness in harsher winter conditions. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the CATS 1350 aluminum circulating tank heater. This premium product is the ultimate solution for those who need powerful and reliable performance in the harshest winter conditions. With 1,500 watts of heating power, this tank heater is capable of warming up even the largest engines, ensuring smooth starts and extended engine life. It's thermostatically controlled, maintaining a consistent temperature between 135 degrees Fahrenheit and 175 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ideal for protecting your engine in sub-zero temperatures. The die-cast aluminum construction is both corrosion and impact resistant, ensuring durability and longevity. Installation requires moderate mechanical skills, but the strap-tight mounting system makes it relatively straightforward. Once installed, this heater delivers unmatched performance, circulating coolant efficiently and evenly throughout the engine. Priced at $67.43, the CATS 1350 is the most expensive option on our list, but it offers exceptional value for those who need top-tier performance. Its combination of power, durability, and efficiency makes it the best overall engine block heater for both personal and professional use. If you want the best of the best, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.